Hello, everyone. My name is Melanie Catalano, and this is my presentation on new media for the American College of Education. In this presentation, I will show you how to use Gravit Designer as an alternative to Adobe Illustrator. During these times of coronavirus, not all students have access to Adobe products on their district-issued Chromebooks, so Gravit is a great way to give all students access to a tool that will allow them to achieve the same goal. As Marie Conway says, online learning has been enabled by the growth of technologies that have created a global digital world. To begin, you'll have to first create an account. Once you do, click Start Now. I'm going to make my file the same page size as a regular printer page, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. You'll notice that the big difference from Adobe to Gravit is that our left-hand toolbar is now located at the top of the screen, but the tools act the same. I'm going to start my project with creating a text box. By clicking on the letter T, I'm activating the text box tool. I'm going to draw out a text box in which I want my text to live. I have already copied the text in which I want to include, so I'm simply going to paste it using the Command V function. According to Marie Conway, new media is defined broadly and generally refers to a range of applications that merge traditional media such as print, television, film, newspapers, and images with digital technology to create interactive and dynamic publications, tools, and uses. I'm going to change the appearance of the text by highlighting the text, selecting the drop-down of font choices, and choosing a font that I like and that is appropriate for my message. I can also click on the color circle here in order to change the color of my text to make it more visually appealing. I can easily change the size of my text by clicking on the size, holding it down, and scrolling up and down to my desired text size. By clicking out of the text, I am deactivating the type tool, and then I can move my text to my desired area of the screen. Similar to Adobe, we have shapes to draw with, located on the top toolbar. From the dropdown, I'm going to click the ellipse tool, which allows us to make perfect circles as well as ovals. By holding down the Shift key, I'm going to draw a perfect circle. In the color picker, I'm going to choose a desired color. I'm then going back to the ellipse tool, and without holding Shift, I'm going to create an oval. I'm going to pick my color, and then using the Command C and Command V functions, I'm going to copy and paste an identical oval. For the mouth, I'm going to use the pen tool. The pen tool allows us to plot points, round them out, and make a custom shape. By clicking into the pointer tool, I will deactivate the pen tool. From here, I can see that I have the black selected, and now I can adjust the width or the weight of my shape. Now that I have my text and images ready, I'm going to save my file by hitting the Save icon at the top left-hand corner of my page. I'm going to name this Module 1 Analysis and hit Save. I can also share my file by hitting the Share icon. During this pandemic, we have entered a new virtual learning environment. By providing access to tools like Gravit, students can feel a seamless transition between learning at school and learning from home. According to the American College of Education, technology is empowering students. Technology is seen as a primary method to stay in touch and take control of one's own learning. Thank you for listening to my video on Gravit Designer and new media.